Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today friend I'm going to show you how you can easily open your Notepad file. Friend, here I'm going to show you two methods to open Notepad file in Windows 11. The first thing first, if you have created your Notepad file, for example last tutorial we have created this Notepad file, and if you want to open it you can simply open your path where you have already created your Notepad file. Then what you will do, select and double click on that file. So what happened, your Notepad file will open like this. So here we are going to click on this close tab, so this Notepad will close now. I'm going to show you the second method to open your Notepad file. So what you will do, here we are going to minimize these things and simply click on this start button, and here we are going to search Notepad. So here you can see that this is a Notepad, and now we are going to open it. Friend, here you can see that this is untitled blank Notepad file is open now, and where we are going to open that file. Friend, here you can see that this is the file tab. You simply click on that and then you will see open option in menu. Here you will see that the Control O, you can also use your keyboard shortcut Control O. So this file open dialog box will open. Here I'm going to show you how that will look. So when you click here, then you will get this pop-up box, and where you save that Notepad file, you simply open that path. For example, this is my desktop, and here I've created Notepad, and here we are going to select this Notepad file. Okay, then here you can click on open. So friend, now you can see that my file is open now. So friend, by this way you can easily open your Notepad file in your Notepad program in Windows 11. So friend, if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. Friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.